Hi, this is a quick explanation of how to use the class notebook add-in to distribute pages or sections to pupils to save you having to copy it into every pupil space. So the first thing you need to do, and you just Google OneNote class notebook add-in, you can download it from here. When you click on the link, it will just automatically download. If this is a school computer, you might need to speak to your IT department to see about getting the add-in installed in your school, and it will depend what version of Office they're running, whether it'll work. As you can see, it works for 2013 or 2016. So if you're running anything older than that, you'd have to do this at home or on another computer where you can get an up-to-date version of Office. Obviously, if you're downloading Office from Glow already, then you'll have 2016 automatically. Once you install it, it adds in OneNote just a tab up here in the full version of OneNote where you can do different things. It's just handy. It saves you having to go to the website, like adding pupils to a notebook. But for distributing stuff to a pupil, if you've got a page like this where I want the kids to fill in the colours of bands for resistors, then all you need to do is go distribute page. If you want to distribute it to every single pupil, you choose which of the pre-made sections in their notes you want it to go in, and you click and it will just do it. If you want to distribute it to a group of pupils or certain pupils, click on this button, it'll come up with all the pupil names, and you just tick the boxes of the individual pupils you want, and you click where you want it to go, and hit copy, and it'll copy it just for those pupils. If you wanted to distribute a whole section, then you use the distribute section button, and you can see distribute new section or distribute section groups, and if you click on that, then it will say, okay, what do you want to call it? And then for more options, you can say, right, this is where I want it to go. So if you want it to all pupils, so if you're doing a new unit of work like this one, analog electronics, you distribute analog electronics to everybody, and it would go into their space. Hope that's been helpful and nice and quick.